So the new book's arrived. One of the books, Carolyn and I worked on a project for the last 3 months to bring pendulum healing and Bach flower remedies together for healing for cats. So book one's arrived. I'm just going to walk you through it. It's 2 books in a series. The other one's being edited. Just wanted to say thank you to Caroline's son, Michael Thomas, for editing the book so quickly. So this book goes through the Bach flowers, and it has a chart as well you can use. So why use the pendulum, protecting space, cat behaviour, the history of essences. So Caroline's done a lot of work on this. She's been using essences for animal healing for years. How do flower essences work? Giving essences to a cat. And then cat behaviours. Early weaning for cats. And then I've put a bit about the intelligence of water, because you can water imprint energy with a pendulum. So you can mix and match how you want to use the energy in this book. Dowsing a healing infusion, the healing crisis, dowsing questions for your cat, pet healing points to remember. And then I revamped the batch dowsing chart and made it more beautiful, the one I already created before. So you can dowse to see if any energy imbalances exist and whether you should be using a flower essence. So different ways to work with the flower essence energies, and then a vibrational list. And then it goes through the flower remedies themselves. So dowsing questions to ask, and then pendulum commands. And it goes through the whole section, all beautifully designed with pendulum commands, so you can do some cat healing. So it's basically going to be working on the energetic level for your cat. It's a lot of info here. So each essence relates to a different subject and topic. So you can dowse to see which one your cat would need. And then you can use the essence, or you can use a frequency of the essence to send into your cat for their highest health and well-being. And use the pendulum commands. And then it's crystal grids and healing and information about grids. Matilda's there. Beautiful. Charging your grid using crystals, and then some of my dowsing charts at the back, so you can use crystals with these charts to send energy to your cat. And then the chakras. So then it goes through the chakra energy of the chakras, and you can use your pendulum to balance any of the chakras, obviously, with a nice chart. And it's got meet the authors, and then Caroline's page, and testimonials, and then my page and some testimonials. So yay, that's book 1. And the deck is that, so there's 2 in this box set. There's going to be 2 books and a deck and a pendulum, all in a beautiful presentation box. Can't believe it's all coming together after 2 months. Amazing.